What's the text when I send everything?
Me say anything more, say anything come out of me mouth. And that being said, no boy can shut me up.
No boy can't shut me up.
Me nah know that.
Me nah know that.
Me nah dead. Like you mean, Blamdem for president. We run the world app, we run the resident. That's it, Virgil. Rank and face to your fuck. Yeah, make a bag of money off of TikTok. Blood to top line audio.
Listen to the next fan. Listen to the next fan. Listen to the next fan. Switch and them rich like way. The 8 song pan rhythm. Richard, man, Richard. Richard, right now, man, not. When a rich man, when a money man, when a rich. Throw that. Enough boy attack them to come down. Switch. People, listen to me. I be 8 song them on the rhythm. You have to support the song them people. Who buy Richard by family? You better go buy it right now. Who no buy? Cause I 8 song. I have one next song when by Phantom. When you Mint Ball. See it? Let me give you the Mint Ball. I be 8 song with a drop. Song with a drop. Song with a drop. Song with a drop. Phantom. Oh, another phone here, depend. Oh, another phone here. Them rich light way. This is the one. 74. People don't know fine style. They have a freedom speech. I'm a big artist, man. 70 me.
Anything more, say. No boy can shut me up.
No boy can shut me up.
No boy can shut me up. No boy can program me.
No boy can shut me up. No boy can program me.
Like you mean, Blamdem for president. We run the world app. We run the resident. That's it, Virgil. Rank and face to your fuck. If up. Yeah, make a bag of money off of TikTok. Blood to top line audio. Flip cash. Blamdem bodies and never cheap shot. 15 there now with a cheap clock. Make a bag of money off of TikTok. Blood to top line audio. Flip cash. 15 there with a cheap clock. Benz and Beamer on the beach job. Blamdem. 15 there no Glock with the pun them. Baba badness, feel on the damn them. Little boy come down no from your condemn. Yeah, one damn them be president. We run the world app, but we run the resident. Yeah, them see the Benz, them see the ends, them see the money and the realest friends. Yeah, girl, that's why the pussy them I can't fence. Got them no rich real Rolex.
Me can't give you too much high song, you know, cause we want to listen it when they drop. So we can't do play on the live, you see me? So listen to me, just know whole heap of other artists there too. Whole heap of other big artists there. We are take time drop the song them, cause we not couldn't hear too much. Cause we have other wicked one. We don't play them and they are big artists, so we can't do play out there, you see me? And find style a big artist same way. So we can't do play out the dark song. I want to hear 70 soul. One fine style. We don't do play out the song them. Cause we have to make one for go up on YouTube them. Cause we have to make one for go up on YouTube go listen them. I want yeah, mama wagwan. Hello. Why pray?
Evan.
Janko, don't send me no bumbuckler request, just think no bumbuckler.
Yeah, people, yo, Blamdem no easy, you know. Yo, Blamdem no easy at that. Yo, the man dab up the girl, you know. More than her, you know. Judge, you know, start. As you know, hey, but yo, that girl I cry right now, I'm not ask you. That girl I cover her mouth and with her eye them wide open and a stare in front of her face and just shock till water come her eye like the intro from Cartel Freaky girl of them girl level love song. Yo, no joke. I tell you, yo, this way I sell you. I'm tell you this for me sell you this. Say Blamdem. Yo, I don't know, but Squash them are my artists from a long time, you know, cause you don't know them link with the Gaza and me is a fully straight Gaza fan. You understand? So but tell you say I squash them I say to cause you don't know. The streets don't love you. See? So big bumbuck lad. Collab, Cartel and squash them always I do. You see me? But it's like the thing is now Blamdem got to squash them hard. But them have them history, it seems, from enough of them places. Me, I'm not to get in between that or get involved. Is me still as a free squash. Cause you don't know them have squash on lock. And them places where them have squash right now, cold, freezing, Zine, and a sweater. Yo, right now, me I tell you, it's not a nice time for being a lock up over there. A certain prison, cold, brother, torment and aggravate you. You see me? Don't feel like, say, you have no blood clot, warm room. You see me? You're cold. Remember that. Seriously. If you talk can make you warm hot chocolate and everything like get me stay warm, no joke. But me like a them are going with still the producing and you see me? I'm on Tamil and what if artists right now. You see it? We're on the skeng the Nicki Minaj. Yeah. It's a good look. I'm not telling you that. It's a good look. I'm like what Nicki do. Enough people are fight her cause them want to bite her. Nicki this, Nicki that. Can't keep all the fold. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And a Skeng of my artist from day one to from Skeng just a show out. Him him and Craft is very promising, the two promising artists. Skilly Bang already boss well like BHK. Even though we still would expect more from Skilly Bang as a big international artist, you know what I mean? Yeah, but we're not really pre Skilly, we're just glad for him and know say yeah, him a do him thing. We're glad for everyone we rise, Yeah. So just they said they have to rise. Rise like Vibes Cartel, whether you rise or fell. You see me? But you have to live large like Christ Cartel. I'm out.
Like I think me can't, say me a drunker. Come here, say about, like I think, people no go on here, man. Moving forward. People, listen, we go, we go, well, make say me can make fine style, call fine style, hold on. Cause dog a big artist, Cause if you know say dog a artist, the dog a just motivational speaker. Call the dog.
And who you call throat goat?
Yeah man, when I done then, when I done. Cool. Me hear you say.
And me you call throat goat?
Then you know choke goat, you know like that name.
No, me no like the
A
name.
nice name that, nothing wrong with it. You see girl, them call them choke goat. Choke goat, I win, you don't know choke goat, man.
So what
Nothing
that
wrong with
mean?
it.
What that mean?
I want to ask the people, them. You mean you
Chat, what
can't put
that
the thing here
mean?
down in your throat?
Me no put nothing in my throat.
Then so wrong if I put nothing in your throat. That
I
cry?
don't. Yes.
What make you say I cry?
Because I wouldn't.
You know, I will load up the thing. Now what it up? And you hold it up, I not tell nobody. After I never send me a number, you not send it, You know, say, I talk here done. Because I know hold it boy, No talk
You know about me.
No talk here done, because you not give me a number.
But
Everything.
tell you said something, me give you my number.
Text me a number, I smoke here done.
What you know about me?
You want me talking?
Yeah.
You a choke boat.
You don't know nothing about me about throat goat.
Yeah. But paper, you know, see nobody here can hide them. I can't tell if you're going to name out them big stinking sour mama.
I know me that.
Add somebody. You know, see, we tell me some people here can't.
Me know nobody here what you say.
Oh, you figure them you the right when they fig TikTok for shadow ban them. Youth so follow Jaden. We love eat for sweets for gift us shoot on his screen. People, listen to me. The big song them a drop on the rhythm, So we have whole heap of big artists on the rhythm. So we have to go, have to support this thing. We go buy Richard, man. Ice and my wrist, look here. Ice for, look here. Ice for my neck. Ice for my wrist. So we just sing about what we do for show. You understand? We not cap like Pops YG.
Blam, the Rolex real?
No, it's fake.
Okay.
You have to wear fake Rolex sometime, to make it thing look real,
Okay.
Sometimes you have to wear fake thing, you know what I mean?
The box look real though.
I must have an artificial cap,
Oh, okay.
So you have to know how to cap. You know, so when you have cap, you have to make it look real. You understand?
So now go help me promote my match.
And that me they don't know. You tell people.
Them now come and shoot for me. Guys, me have a match on Thursday at 9 p.m.
Shoot for me. I send me a line and I can send a two when I watch.
Well, no, I might match first. So you send me 2 lion and I'm send it back.
Alright then.
You do that for me?
She one broke. Yeah, man, I can't support him, man. I want him, man. I say I want a nice girl.
So you say? So you say?
Yeah, it's somebody when me disrespect them.
Natural. Me not know nobody for disrespect. Remember, so me not in the whole. There's nobody over here, so for disrespect.
Ice in the wrist. Reach out. Hey yo, Blamdem. This time I'm not. What am I dog them? Who does that talk about? I'm a talk about all I no gun your mouth no more on TikTok. Me no like no. All I no gun your mouth no more. When you come off of this bomb clot.
Yeah, people, yo, the family hard. Tough. Who them a go let them rich like where? Who them a go let them rich like where? Cha. Tough. You see me? Yeah, man, family, mad. I'ma find the gear again, man. From family release, still you know, I like the dip for him though. The dip. He man who did the dip again. I must TG them. You see it, the bad, you see it? And yeah man, couple other song with him though. Especially one when him shoot at Germany. You see it? Yeah man. I blame them at this everybody on TikTok here the man say, yeah, I'm not like, no. But them thing there keep the people in my life till. You know, and I really say mad this them, him know them stay. There'll be people like laugh when him say, yo, I'm not like, no, come on. Everybody in the comment section in my this but all me to come in there, you see me? That's what I blame them. I said the boy I'm sick, you know. Yeah man, yeah, you have to rate him still, you see me? Yeah, that's different.
Listen to me. Here we go on, mama. Alright, listen. Here we go on, mama. I really lip that there. I already do a lip.
I'm a real lip.
Okay. Watch it now. Let me ask you now. Say alright.
Yeah, man, me alright.
You can't send me a number.
Me I send you my number.
Alright, send him. Let me see message coming.
Me I send it to you.
Alright then. You see me I give so much hype. Yeah, me I give.
Where hype there? Not even followers me I get over here.
You have to do something with people. Long out your tongue.
Me not long out my tongue.
Why?
For what?
Make give people follow you.
Them not go follow me for that. You see them a follow you. You not show nothing.
I can me entertain and make me trouble people and cuss bad with them like it. So you have to do something. Where you're not entertain. Showing your body alone and not entertain. That's
but me not show nobody.
That's promoting. That's promoting your body. That you're promoting something. You're the promote I am when you're in there. You see me? You're the promote. Me know where you promote.
I'm gonna buy the body so me have to promote it.
No, so we can buy. Yeah man, you're right. So we can buy.
Me shit. Alright, Blam.
Stay. I watch it. Me not this. Come. So watch it no more. So I can't make it thing. Oh yeah, make it thing up, so bro.
How?
Everything good. Thing good. But wait, me not nobody to talk to me. Hard back and drunk.
So where you jump off for?
No, cause you not go on and you know me I look at thing. You know that girl again, so?
I don't know her.
Mama, where are David? Everything good?
There no.
Yes, it's a Friday they play with TikTok boss, the man, you not get no forward. You come back now for your forward.
Fall off Sunday time there.
Yeah, you have to tell you, me have to put you up, cause that's what me tell you, say. If you want to stay up, you have to stick with me. And do what when me say put out your tongue, you do it. So that's not still relevant. So you have to stay by my side and think me tell you for you do it. So we'll start the process now. Long out your tongue.
No, we can't do that.
You want make?
You know me, I sit me, you know,
Then you don't know if you're a good girl.
Yeah, but me can't do that, bro. Me don't need them clothes there.
You know, if Jaden and RT boss are doing anything to cloud.
Then I mix me.
Alright, you have to go do what me do then. Cause people and cause problem. And cause.
Alright, but we don't know if the cost.
Then mama, you don't know because. Alright. Tell Sultan I say go and sell. So voila, me say. Sultania. The TikTok boss, I'm trying.
Thank you for the thanks.
I'm telling her to tell me some more.
Fine, I don't know wrong with TikTok boss. If Nicki Minaj over here and come though. A sweets man. Boy, TikTok boss, you joke like him good man. You can't tell me. Boy, TikTok boss. Sweets, Betty Milk. Paper, let's say you go on. Make sure me can call Rosalie, because I'm a Rosalie video. People listen to me, more somebody to argue with, because I can't argue page Japan, I know my page ban. Moving forward. Sweets. Yeah, no Betty Milk in your house, show Betty Milk. Yeah, Betty Milk. No Betty Milk in your house.
I don't have no Betty milk.
Two beggy, you no Betty Milk in your house.
Yeah.
I would shake it to more.
No, you?
Go on for Betty Milk.
What not do with it?
Want to show people a TikTok boss, show him.
Alright.
Go for Betty Milk now.
I send my son to you.
Alright, let me see your son.
Hold on.
Hold on, hear me on the wheel now. Watch out people. People hear me on the wheel now. Hold on. I'll show you wheel something. Because wheel go like say. Him full of problem. He look full of, hold on, me call the wheel. Let me call the wheel people. Me call the wheel. Me call the wheel. The wheel.
One piece.
People, how the wheel sound go? I say go. How the wheel sound go? Beggy.
Ooh. And I say go, ooh, like so. Like wind. Yeah.
Rosalie, Mrs. Wheel. Rosalie, wagwan. You don't come live. Rosalie, want me to mute? You're mute.
Uncle Wagwan.
How would it say?
Rosalie, sister, should I there? Okay. I have no pension now. You want for 5 million? Shut up now, gonna come
Let me chat to Barbar.
Gonna come with a jump cross.
Me can't talk to Barbar. Let me chat to Jake.
Just let it eat out. Our phone is the pan so.
So who would you there?
Just me, and daughter, and her son and her sister.
Oh. Alright then, look more. Tell Rosalie say Uncle Blamdem call, yeah? Then say me call when he forward back, yeah?
She got the bar.
Well, I'm Blamdem, I hear the phone. Rose, that's her in the brown? Yeah. I want Blamdem, Blamdem, what I want.
You there, man? How would you feel?
You was really in the yard when she said the bicycle call me that video.
No, big up yourself, man. I
the
really
bicycle at the video. Rose! See Blamdem now, Oh, she said,
Rosalie, wagwan.
tell me some business, call her back.
No, man, tell Rosalie say